By the end of this video, you will know why Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in 2025 and how I would grow one if I started from zero. No camera, no face, no excuses. This is the exact playbook I would use if I started from zero today. Let's begin. Here's the thing. Most people overcomplicate YouTube. They think it's about charisma, fancy gear, or a perfect setup. It's not. The people waiting right now, they're faceless. They've cracked the algorithm, they've built systems, and in a few minutes, so will you. Faceless channels works because they remove friction. You don't need to worry how you look, how you sound, or whether people will judge you. All that matters is idea and execution. That's why anyone can start. But here's the kicker. Because there is no personal brand tied to it, you can treat it like a business asset, not a side hobby. That mindset shift alone changes everything. Now, let's talk about formats that print views. Let me break it down. The Faceless formats that dominate are explainers, breaking down topics simply, top 10s and compilations, snackable, bingeable content, storytelling. Human brains are wired for it, even with stock footage. Tutorials, solving problems that millions search for daily. These formats don't burn out, they are evergreen. Post them once and they will work for you every single day, forever. Here is what most people don't understand. YouTube isn't emotional. It doesn't care about your feelings. It cares about numbers. When you upload, your video is shown to the test group. If they click, you move to the next tier. If they watch long enough, you move again. Every click and every second watched is like a vote on the president elections. And you can become a president of YouTube. That's why the three metrics that are deciding your YouTube future are: first, CTR or click-through rate. Below 3%, you're cooked. Above 6%, you're having a massive reach. Next, retention. People must watch at least 40% of your video. Drop below that, and YouTube throttles your reach. The legendary first 30 seconds. This is the kill zone. If 75% of viewers don't survive your intro, you are done. Most creators ignore this, and you should master and obsess over them. So, how do you actually hit those numbers? Here's my exact framework. Start with the title and thumbnail. That's your ad. Spend more time on packaging than editing. Script for retention. Every 20 to 30 seconds, give viewers a reason to keep watching. A question, a preview, or a bold statement. Batch your workflow. Write scripts one day, edit the next. Consistency beats perfection. But nowadays, this task can be easily optimized by using AIs such as Anthropic Claude or other LLMs. Now, writing a viral script takes minutes, not hours or even days. That's so easy, guys. The next thing, you should focus on volume early. More uploads equals more data, and data tells you what works and what doesn't. This is how you outpace people who are spending months on obsessing over their first video. Once you have tailored the system for your needs and have proven that it works, scale it. Outsource editing, outsource voiceovers, and hire thumbnail designers. Listen here, your goal is not to build a YouTube channel. Rather, you should focus on building an ultimate content machine. And in perspective, that machine will run multiple channels in multiple niches all at once. That's leverage. Now, let's talk about the best part, guys. Monetization. Everyone talks about ads. Ads are just entry point. The real money are in stacking monetization. AdSense for baseline revenue, affiliate marketing for quick wins, sponsorships once you build authority, and digital products and courses for exponential growth. One Faceless channel becomes an income stream. 3 or even 5 channels, that's an empire, guys. This is why Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up in 2025. Zero entry barriers, evergreen demand, a predictable algorithm, and unlimited monetization. I've just handed you the framework. The real question now is, will you take action and build your Faceless YouTube channel, or watch someone else take over while you scroll? In the next video, I'm going to show you the method I used to pick a niche and dissect competitors before you even post your first video. This is where the game actually begins. See you soon, guys.